Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. This was Samsung washing machine. Customers call me. It's not refilling water. There is no water refilling. So let's on it and see how is it. Turn it on and then please set the water mode. Then press the start button. This washing machine, dear viewers, when it's turned on, cannot open the door. So we have to see from top only. See, drum is moving but no water. There is no water. So, dear viewers, for this reason, we have to check at first. So, there is no water finally. So, if there is no water, at first you check there is water or not. Then, second reason, you can check the filter. If there is two dust block, then also will be no water. If both of okay, then you have to remove the back cover. After that, this water inlet valve. This problem is actually now water inlet valve. So, dear viewers, I bought new. This is the water inlet bulb. I'll change it and it will be back. Okay, dear viewers, I have changed. So let's see now how is it. Inshallah, hopefully will be okay. Let me turn it on. Turn the on water. This is the customer. We have to wait. Yes, dear viewers, now the water refilling. See, there is water. Yeah, so Alhamdulillah, it's working fine. So now it's refilling good. So if you see there is the water is slow or there is no water, you can check. Then you can change the water inlet bulb very easy way. Only this water inlet bulb was problem. Thank you, dear viewers. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.